Hey everybody, happy Monday. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Today we're just going to jump right into it with a workout. Tomorrow we'll do more self-defense stuff. Wednesday will actually be an off day for you guys, so you will have an optional workout if you want. Thursday will be more self-defense content, and then Friday will be another workout. So here we go. Let's just jump right into it. So today we're going to do arms and abs, which was a high request by a lot of you for types of workouts that you would be interested in doing. So for the workout today, you get to pick your difficulty. Okay, so this is like the first time we're going to do something like this. So we're going to do a 3-minute warm-up, 10-minute arm circuit, and then a 5-minute ab circuit. So for the warm-up, everyone's just going to jog in place for 3 minutes. Okay, make sure you get those knees up, use those arms. Okay, the point of a warm-up is to get your heart rate going, get that blood flowing. After your 3-minute warm-up, you're going to complete 10-minute circuit, arm circuit. So there's 5 exercises here that you're going to do. You're going to do it all twice. But you get a pick if you want to do level 1, which is the harder exercises, or level 2, which is the easier exercises. Okay, level 1 is going to be in this column here. Okay, so those are the harder ones. Level 2 is easier. It'll be in this column here. So the first one, 15 push-ups. You're going to start a timer. Okay, at 0 seconds, you're going to hit go. After you hit go, you're going to do 15 push-ups. So you can do them on your feet or on your knees. After you've done 15, you're going to rest for the remainder of that minute. Okay, so if there's 45 seconds left, you're going to rest for 45 seconds. Okay, once your stopwatch hits 1 minute, you're going to come down here. You're going to do 15 tricep dips. If your legs are straighter, it's going to be harder. If they're bent, it'll be easier. Okay, for the remainder of that minute, you're going to rest. Then at 2 minutes, you're going to do 15 backpack bicep curls. The more you put in there, the heavier it is, the harder it will be. At 3 minutes, you're going to do 10 explosive push-ups. Okay, so you're trying to get your hands off the ground so you can clap. On your knees is going to be easier. On your feet will be a lot harder. Okay, you're going to do 10 of those and then 20 front raises. Again, if the backpack is heavier, it's going to be harder. After you've done that, you should be at the 5-minute mark. You're going to go back to the top and do it all one more time. That is your arm circuit for today. So if you do the harder exercises for round 1 and then have to go to round 2 or level 2, totally fine. For your ab circuit, okay, same thing. Level 1's here, level 2 is here. Front plank for a minute. If you go on your knees, it'll be a little easier. Bear plank. To make this easier, you'll just have to take breaks whenever you need them. Big butterfly kicks. If your arms are out to the side, it'll be a little harder. If you put them under your butt there, it'll be a little bit easier. Same thing here with the scissor kicks. Look at those arm placements to make it easier or harder. And then butterfly sit-ups down here to make it easier. Just take some breaks. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to download this exit ticket, fill out the 4 questions there, and upload it into the assignment tab here. Let me know if you have any questions.